All right, guys, here we go. Thank you, break number 2. Let's roll it.
Oh, baby! Big ol' hit. This ball is crushed. Oh, come on. The babe! 1 of 1. Wow. Rookie auto. Derek Jeter, 1 of 1 auto. Dual logo man, Jason Tatum, Donovan Mitchell.
Oh, that's filthy. Oh, I knew I was going to be. All right, guys, here we go. Thank you, break number 2. Teams are on the screen. You know them because you bought them. And Tori Z, I got you for the Red Sox over in 998. I'll update that list next. 9 left on the bonus break, which means that Wolverine and 997 are good to go for finals there. So, all right, let's head over to the break area. Single box little thank you break coming up here. And 998, let me go. Red Sox off the board. Yeah, I mean, looking at 998, guys, it's not terribly far off from that final serial. Absolutely, Kaniak. I'm not kidding when I say that those cards, Marvel fans, they spend money. To say the least, they spend money. Look at how much they spend on comic books. Now you gave them cards. Thicker one here. First up for the Brewers, W.W. Allen. My boy Christian Yelich to 99. 99, Christian Yelich. And, I said we were pulling one today. I said we were pulling a bat knob today. Who did it? I'm trying to peek. I can't actually see it. I said we were pulling a knobby today. Evan Longoria, 1 of 1 bat knob for the Diamondbacks. Mr. Presidente. There we go. I called it. I said bat knob today. All right, next up, Marco Luciano for the Giants to 199. Giants goes to CBJ. I'm curious to see what he paid for him too. Chenal to 99 for the Angels goes to CBJ. And last hitty here, Bartolo Colon. Is it Colon? Bartolo for the Mets. Mets goes to Brooks. Guys, thank you, break number 2. I told you we're doing a bat knob today. I told it, Colon. It messes me up every time. Colon.